Hello, everyone, and welcome to the final lesson in Module 3. Now, in this lesson, we're going to be quickly looking at how you can build an evergreen quiz funnel traffic system. And that way, you're continuously generating leads for your quiz from the traffic coming into your website. All right, so I'm going to be showing you the different ways in which you can have your quizzes, or you can add your quizzes on your website. And that way, you're continuously generating leads from the traffic coming in. All right. Now, there are a couple of ways that you can add your quiz to your website. Now, the first is you can add it as a CTA, that's as a call to action on the homepage of your website. You can add it to the website navigation. You can add it as a hello bar or an announcement bar. You can also embed it on a page, on a blog post, or on a sidebar. And lastly, you can enable the website pop-up of your quiz on your website. Now we have all these features available on LeadQuizzes, and that way you can easily implement this using LeadQuizzes. All right, now we're going to go through each of those step by step and how they look like on LeadQuizzes, and I'm going to show you a couple of examples of success stories of clients that have used these methods to generate leads and sales for their business using LeadQuizzes. All right. Now, the first is CTA on homepage. All right. Now, you can embed your quiz as a CTA on homepage. As you can see from the screenshots, we have a case study of Empath Connection. They embedded the quiz as a CTA on their homepage, and this was one of the key to the quiz funnel success. All right. Now, this was able to make him showcase his quiz more on website visitors, which kind of resulted in more leads generated. He used LeadQuizzes to generate over 1,200 new health leads monthly with a 53% conversion rate. All right, and this 1,200 new health leads is on-page traffic. This is traffic coming to his website, and he's able to generate that amount of lead by having the quiz as a CTA on the homepage. All right. Now they're also able to use the demographic data gathered from the quiz for product development, for future prioritization, for building customer personas, and also for building content marketing strategies. All right. So that is the first strategy. You can embed your quiz as a CTA on your homepage, and that way, whenever a user comes to your website homepage, they have the flexibility to click on the CTA and take your quiz. All right. Now, the next is you can have it, or you can have it added to the website navigation menu. All right. So the way to do this is you have the quiz embedded on the page, and then you include that page in the website's navigation menu. All right. Now, this also enables you to be able to present your quiz to all the visitors that land on your page, and that way they're able to see the quiz on the menu, and at any point in time they can click and they get redirected to the page where you have the quiz embedded, and they can take the quiz and continue how to browse the other aspects of your website. All right. Now, the next is you can have your quiz added to the hello bar, or as an announcement bar. Now this was basically the key to Date ID, which is one of the LeadQuizzes case studies. This was the key to their success. All right, they were able to add the quiz as an announcement bar on their website, and that way they were able to show the quiz to any of the visitors that land on their website. Now before doing this, they were generating a 3% conversion rate from their free trial offers, and after using quizzes as an inline embed on their blog posts and adding this as an announcement bar on all the pages on their website, their conversion rate for free trials improved from 3% to 35%. All right, which is a 40% increase. Okay, so you can add this to the announcement bar or as an hello bar on your website, and that way you're able to put your quiz in front of every traffic that comes into your website. All right. Now, next, you can have it embedded on a page or the blog post or sidebar. All right, so you can have it embedded on a page, and you can add that page as a you can add that page to the menu. All right, you can also embed it on the page, and you can link that page as a CTA. All right, so that way, once your audience click on the CTA, they get redirected to the page, or you can also include it in blog posts. All right, so we have the embed CTA functionality in LeadQuizzes that enables you to be able to embed your quiz as a little embed CTA on blog post, and that way, once your audience read through your blog post, they can take the quiz and continue reading down your blog post. And lastly, you can have it on sidebar. All right, and Date ID also implemented this by embedding it on their blog posts, and that was also one of the key to their success. All right, now finally, you can have it activated as a website pop-up on your website on different behaviors. All right, so in LeadQuizzes, we have the functionality for you to enable your quiz as a pop-up on your website as an exit intent behavior after time delay in seconds, after the page loads, or once your audience have scrolled down to a certain percentage of the page they're on. All right, now this way you're able to put your quiz as a pop-up to your audience in different ways without having to irritate or annoy them, and that way you're able to generate more leads and more sales for your business. All right, and Date ID also did this for their quiz, which was also one of the major key to their success. All right. Now, in the next module, we're going to be looking at how you can optimize your quiz funnel. So I'm going to be showing you how you can A/B split test your quiz. I'm also going to be showing you how you can create an email sequence flow for your quiz. And that way your audiences are continue being engaged and nurtured, via emails once they complete the quiz. All right. So I see you in the next model. Bye-bye.